Once again, you all are welcome in my channel. Today I am show you a trick by which you can do the multiplication very easily. This trick is applicable to the 2-digit numbers as well as the 3-digit numbers. So let us see the example with 2-digit number first, and in the next video I'll cover it with the 3-digit number. So for this you have to learn the simple basic pattern like this and this. You have to learn this pattern. So once you have this pattern in your mind, you can do any multiplication very easily. Like let us suppose we have to multiply these two numbers. So this two number, to multiply this, you have to firstly multiply this 4 with 2, that is 8, and then you have to multiply these two numbers like this, 10 and 10, 12, 4 is a 12. So this will gives you 22. You have to put 2 here and discard this, and further with this 2 you have to add this pattern, means multiplication of these two, that is 15. So this will gives you 17. So you write it here, this is your product. I hope you understand this, and this is very useful for you. I'll do little bit tough, 99 with 98. Let us suppose we have to multiply these two numbers. So we can do it very easily. 9 8s are 72. So you have to write 72, 2 here and strike out this 2, and then apply this pattern. This pattern will say 9 8s are 72 and 9 9s are 81, and you have to add these. This will be 0 and 16. With this 16 you have to put 0 here and carry this 16. With this 16 now you have to multiply these two. 9 9s are 81, and you have to add this. This is 7 and 8 1 9. This is 9702. We'll check it with the help of calculator also. I'll show you if you want to check it. So I'll open a calculator here and multiply 99 with 98. This will give me the result 9702. Similarly, you can check the earlier answer also, that is 54 multiplied by 32. This will gives you 1728. So if you remember this pattern, you can do any multiplication in a simple step, in a simple single step, and this will help you out in your entrance exams where you have to multiply the big numbers together. So I'll do one more practice for you. Let us suppose you have to multiply 69 with 45. So what you have to do, first of all you have to multiply these two numbers. 9 5s are 45, then you have to write 5 here and carry forward 4 and strike out here this 4 and multiply these two numbers together, like 6 5s are 30 and 9 4s are 36, and then you have to add these all. 6 4 10 0, 3 3 6 1 7, this is 70. Then you have to put 0 here and strike it out, and with this 7 you have to now add 6 4s are 24. So 7 plus 4 is 13, 7 plus 4 is 11, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Then this is 3105. Now I'll show you with the help of calculator. The result is correct. This is 69 multiplied by 45. This will gives you 3105. So I hope you understand this procedure. In this procedure you just have to learn this pattern, that is you have to apply this one first and this one after that. So hope you will like this video. I'll come back soon with the trick to multiply the 3-digit numbers and so on. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.